and get off. We'll just document that it was a correct call. Which it was. Pushing Presbyans for P, pushing P. Pushing P, pushing P, pushing. All right, guys. Just wanted to document a couple things real quick. I'm not going to stay on long. Good evening to y'all. Hope you had a great day. The buy stop that I called out for you right here, the 1 minute buy stop, all three, preferred to go to the 5-minute line, then a buy stop, actually turned into a 15-minute buy stop, which I got into late. My buy stops were on the 5-minute, but hopefully some of you caught this out here. We'd have been up 24 pips on SPX. The 15-minute buy stop would have yielded you about 100 pips on NAS. And then the 15-minute buy stop would have yielded you about 130, 120 on US 30. As it is, I'm still up on my trades that I took. It's just that it should have been and could have been a lot more money on those. I couldn't adjust them. We were at a pet theater having fun. And these are the ones I'm up right now. Not much, but we're still in the profit. And they all worked out exactly like they were supposed to go. So whatever. It's fine. What's up, Peter? What's up, Metal Mine? What's up, Apollonia? What's up, Valina? Oh, doing great. You had another monster day, Peter? What you do today, buddy? I'm going to stay on just for a minute here. Just want to document exactly what happened, what I called out, and what happened. Again, the 1 minute buy stops, I said prefer to go down to the 5-minute line, which they did. Then they turned into the 15-minute instead of a 5-minute buy stop. So I was a little off on how deep it was going to go. You can see clearly right here, this turned into a 15-minute buy stop on NAS, SPX, and US 30 instead of the 5-minute. But either way, you just would have made more money. My entrance was too high. That's the problem it causes when it does that, but whatever. It's fine. Can't come all directly. I was off one time period. I should have put a 5-minute, 15-minute. That was my fault, but whatever. Hopefully you guys caught that, or some of you caught that. All right. So with that in mind, I'm going to go over how I knew that was going to occur and how I called it. How the one. All right. The should be pushing B. All right. Welcome everybody on TikTok. I believe you guys are here too now. Let's go over just a few things here. We're in the money on all the calls I made earlier. The only challenge came in, instead of it being a 5-minute buy stop, it ended up being a 15-minute buy stop. It went a little deeper than I thought it did, or thought it would. Nonetheless, we made money, so who's arguing? I'm up over $6,700 on 2 days on a $10,000 account. Peter P, congratulations, Peter Parker. Is that a real account for you, sir? Good evening, Lee Johnson. Good evening. Congratulations, Peter Parker. He is in a very good day today on his buy stop. 1 minute buy stop, 5-minute, but it's technically we missed this one, or I called it, but you guys had to do it yourself. This would have been a buy stop right here. Whenever you see this pattern, green, 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 red, green, green, you put your buy stop above the line. This is SPX right here, for instance, right now. That had gathered you about 23 pips, which is perfection. I called the down. I thought it was going to stop at a 5-minute. It turned into a 15-minute. So with that in mind, you're about 100 pips up on NAS if you'd have took the trade where it should have been entered in. I'm a little late. I was running it off the 5-minute, and that's 127 pips on US 30. So we can go over those trades again so you guys can see what they look like. And then I'm probably going to call it a day unless you guys have questions. Okay. What's up, McMahon? What's up, Kev? Great trading day. Oh yeah, cool. Yeah, it was a great trading day, McMahon. And then I left you guys in with this call right here. I feel a little bit bad, but not really. I said 1 minute buy, stop all three, but prefer to go to the 5 minute line on each one and then a buy stop. It actually went to the 15-minute line and then did the buy stop. So I was off one time period. My bad on that one. Sorry about that. But I'm still going to take credit because I called it down, called where it was going to go. I just didn't realize how deep that was going to go. My ends, as you can see right here, were done on the 5 minute line instead of the 15-minute line. That's why I'm so high up. These were automatically set, and it was just we were in a cutest little Popovich. What is it? Pete Popovich animals show, dog fun comedy center show. Anyway, it was real cute. Dogs and cats and all kinds of tricks. The guy's really good in Vegas. Real cute show. Anyway, what's up, Rob? Kevin the Go. What's up, Jonathan? Uncle Dave. What's up, Uncle Dave? Crypto's about to explode. I have no idea. I haven't looked at it since this morning. I've been busy. We've been running around Vegas. That is real cash money feels illegal. Oh, nice. Peter P, can you head over to the real safety trade on TikTok, please, and post that up? I would appreciate that, sir. I'm up $6,700 over 2 days on a $10,000 account. Damn, Peter P, you're fucking kicking my ass. See, told you. People can do this shit. People can do this shit. You can learn it. Peter P just learned, by the way. Peter P just had his one-on-one with me, what, a week ago, Peter? I'm telling you. Wow. Peter's kicking fucking ass. Anyway, buy stop 1 minute, buy stop 5 minute. You kind of missed the boat on this one. I do believe we're still going to go up a little bit, but be prepared for those 1 hour, 4 hour sell stops. There's a 4 hour sell stop on all three indices. Let me get specific. I'm going to start cleaning this shit out of here. So it had turned into, we're going to write this out now. We're going to leave this with, oh, I'll leave. I'm going to stay for a minute. But anyway, 1 minute. So the 1 minute chart, buy stops, all three indices. 4 hour chart, sell stops, all three. All right, now that's where we're at with those. Yeah, I wish I'd have caught that earlier for you guys, but again, I was traveling around. We were having a great time, so screw that shit. All right, so how do we call this? Where do we go? How is it going to go from here? We're going to look at this. You're looking at a 5 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop, but this is the 15 minute I'm talking to you about right here. This is the one that I called that was going to be a 5 minute bounce off the line. Remember, I drew this off the 5 minute line for us. Instead of doing the 5 minute bounce off back here, it ended up, well, it did it, but it went deep. So it went down to the 15 minute line and did the exact same thing I drew out for the five. That's what this is. So our logo, it bounced up like that. It did do it. It just did it off the 15-minute line. That's why my entrances are so off. Up thousands here where it was. It's just weird. Don't ask. It's just how it works when you're not paying attention to your trades and you can't stay on them. Still in the money, just not as good as it should be. Now, let's go over how we knew what this was going to do before it happened and how I knew to call it that it was going to go down in that area. So we're going to block out everything that you can possibly see. And now we're going to move over here on TikTok a little bit. And now all you can see is basically nothing. So what you see is you wait for everything to change to our colors. You no longer have to worry about support and resistance. All you want to see, these are all green, including the Bach. This two-line, double line thing right here, green, 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 green. Then you wait here for this to turn red. This is a 15-minute US 30 chart. If you want to gather along with me, you'll see it. You'll see it come right to here. Right here, you're going to notice a different color. You're going to see green, 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 red, green, green. You put a buy stop above the line, the red line, not that blue line. And then it goes up or not. And of course, it went up. And since this is US 30, this would have been a shit ton of pips for you, over 100. But oh well. I can't be with you guys at all times. So it just didn't work out that way. Here's SPX, same thing. You would see live, you'd see green, 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 that first little dash of red right there, green, green. Open up a buy stop. It went across here. And you'd be up about 20, 25 pips on that trade. And this would have been perfect way. So what you guys would do then, so you guys are clear on how to trade this. If you're going to trade this through like Tradeovite or Nadex or Thinkorswim, and you're going to try to use the E-mini futures and all that shit, This is how you would trade that. I'm going to teach you real quick. So if you're going to try to use, say, for instance, Nadex, and they have on their US 30s, right? Oh, 2 days ago was your one-on-one, Peter said. Peter, now you're just showing off, big. Head over there, man. Peter P is in the house. What's up, Peter? Can you tell everybody what's up, Rob? Can you tell the people on TikTok exactly what you just said on YouTube, please? How much you're up? When did you get your training? How much you're up? And then what size account was it? Uh-oh. Sorry. All right. While we're waiting for Pete to do that, I'm going to go over how to trade options using the system, whether it's Think or Swim, Tradeovite, Minis, whatever you want to call them. SPX. SPX is SPY. SPY is your the equivalent of SPX. So they're very, very close. So this is the 15-minute chart. These are all 15-minute candles. Let me zoom in just a little bit so you can see a little clearer on that one. Each one of those dashes, the histogram bars right here, are 15 minutes. As soon as you would see this setup, and if you're going to trade Nadex, Think or Swim with theta decay options or your E-minis, you would immediately see this pattern. You go green, 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 red, green, green. It goes below the red line up here. You would immediately open up a long contract. And if it was Nadex, I would do in the money. I would take an in the money contract at this point right here. And depending if this was SPY or if this is E or USD, depending on when the contract was expiring. So on Nadex, it's win or lose, called binary. You win or you lose. Binary, two choices, two. The way that it works is I would get one in the money and I would take one that was expiring like rather quickly. These are 15-minute candles. I would get one that's expiring maybe an hour or two out at the most, and I would just wait. So at this point, I would do my option, all right, and I would have it open and look at it. It took these red bars are each 15 minutes, 15. Well, let me just grab it real quick. I'll tell you from here. Before it went up, it took 4:15. So it took an hour and 15 minutes for this to rise. So let's take a look at it. It took an hour and 15 minutes for this to go up. So if you're doing an option in the money and then it came up, look what it did. It went up and held. And you would know that and you would make all your money. You wouldn't be able to, if you pulled out you had to pay 60 for the option, you make 40, you'd probably make about 30 per contract. And then if you had 10 of those, that's 300, 20 of those, that's 600, 30 of those, 1,000, 900. That's all you would do on Nadex. So you would take the options, which are a lot smoother, by the way. I keep telling people that the options on Nadex smooth out these downs and ups. You don't have to worry about getting caught and then losing money, then coming up. As long as you're going to be right that it's going to come up, you're going to be in the money. So that's how I would do a Nadex option or think or swim. And that's what you do. Boom, 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 and let it go. Okay. I have done a bunch of trading before, and this system is legit, says Peter. And tell them how much you're in. What's up, 36 Tib? Tesla tomorrow, 2 days ago. That's the security cameras. My red line not showing. You don't bring up individual things, Dr. Computer Service and security cameras. Love Nadex. I know, isn't it the best? Good evening, Ed. Good evening, Lee. Good evening, Dr. Computer Service. Good evening, D-Man. Yeah, Nadex is the best. Hey, Tab, what's up, Tibor? So let's go ahead. First person to ask something. So I just wanted you guys to get an idea of how to play options using the system. It's the easiest thing on earth. But it's beyond it. Nadex is beyond easy. It's like you're almost taking candy from a baby because you don't care if there's this little up and down, up and down, up and down. As long as it ends up, by the time your contract expires, you win. And we know where this is going before it happens. So that's how you can win in Nadex so much. It's crazy. Anywho, I am sending you two guys I know. Oh, Tibor, thank you, sir, for the referrals. I appreciate the trust and confidence in that, my brother. You know I'll take care of them. Bree will take care of them technically. You want to know about Bitcoin? Let's take a look. Daddy Mendy says, Bitcoin, the system works exceptionally well on Bitcoin. Today we called it out perfectly. Sell, stop, already see it going. Let's pull this down here. Nope, 5-minute maybe. 5-minute sell. It's a definite 5-minute sell on Bitcoin. That means a short-term down for you guys who don't know what that means. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 30-minute, 1 hour, 30-minute, 1 hour. It is a 30-minute, 1 hour, After we already went up today on the 15-minute about $3,000, this is another 30-minute buy stop coming. So if I was gonna be trading, um, Bitcoin right here, I'd be putting a buy stop right above this line right here, thinking it's gonna go up, and it will. Yep, definitely it's going to. It's also going up there. Yep, and we already know where it's going because I told you this a while ago. It's going to the blue line on the daily. And again, we're so far ahead of it. This buy stop for Bitcoin, if you could just look at this, you can go to our scanner too, was called out 7 days before the move happened. I was telling you buy stop daily on Bitcoin, go back. I was telling you this back on, oopsie, hold on a second. Let's move this down. It's just easy. You can't miss it. You all can read it. Each one of these candles is a day candle. Green, 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 red. As soon as you see the red, you start calling a buy stop. These didn't change color. These stained red, green. You immediately call it. You put your buy stop line above here. You'd have made money. Easy money. Bitcoin, easy money. Called for the buy 7 days ago at 22,190, whatever it is. It's up 3,000, whatever dollars. Easy money. That's how easy Bitcoin is. What's it going to do now? Super long term. Sell stop, Warren Buffett sell stop. Super, super duper long term buy stop. Yeah, right. Shorter term buy stop, 30-minute. Real short term sell stop, 5-minute. So if you want to scalp this shit, it's going to go down. If you want to play a little longer, it's going to go up. If you want to play medium long, it's going to go up higher. If you want to go super, super long, it's going to drop. How low? It's going to come down pretty good, actually. It's going to come down way, way more than what people think. All right. So that's Bitcoin. Tesla. We do Tesla pretty regularly. Let's see on Tesla right here. Tesla, I don't know if you want fast or slow. Fast, it's going up, obviously. Can't miss that shit. 5-minute. Oh, yeah, it's a beautiful buy stop. Look at this shit. Look at how easy this is to read. Look at how easy this is to read. Wow, I don't know how you guys, what more do you guys want? Green, 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 red. Put you above the line, and you'd have made money in your Tesla today. Easy peasy trading. Oh my gosh. Ridiculous. So what's it gonna do next? It's gonna keep going up a little bit more, keep going up. I already hit its 30-minute. Is it gonna go to 1 hour? Nope. It's gonna go up a little bit more, then it's a 1-hour sell stop. And then if you wanna go out a little bit further, like a daily, it's a buy stop. If you wanna go out further than that, it's a weekly sell stop. So it depends on how you wanna play it. Let me know, and I can tell you exactly what it's gonna do. Blue line to the 5 minutes. What's the best way to send you a question? To the safety trade system at gmail.com. To the Forex safety trade system at gmail.com. Isn't that our email? This thing right here. Am I allowed to post that or will they block me off? Here, I'll try to link it to you, but I doubt TikTok will let me do it. If you want to ask a question, let me see if I can do this for you. And no, it's the Forex safety trade system at gmail.com, or just go over to our website, and then you can do an email through there. I'm sending it to you guys. Hey, Kevin. So that's Tesla. That's Bitcoin. All right. I believe that's it. I'm going to go ahead and go back to NAS and US 30. US 30 is a 5-minute, 1-minute, 5-minute buy stop right here. Boom. And then you have a 4-hour sell stop, all three indices. I still think we're going to go up a little bit further now. We kind of shot the load or whatever you want to call it on this. Instead of a 5-minute, it turned into a 15-minute buy stop. But every one of my guys should have caught this easily. Any rate, I feel a little bad I couldn't get that a little corrected for you, but there's nothing I can do. We're having fun today. So, all right, that's what I'm gonna leave you guys with. Hopefully, you know what it is. TikTok, I'm out of here. If you need anything, holler. Send over an email or something, whatever. I don't care. Evening, Kevin Bri. How's it going? Sean T. What's up, Sean? Bitcoin 36.2. How's it going? Went well. We went to see a little cute little Greg Popovich comedy animal dog show or something. It was real cute. We just got home. We're about to go train a little bit, lift a little bit. I don't know, T-Bird. What do you mean by Bitcoin? I read it for you. I just read Bitcoin for you. Do you want short term, long term? What do you want? I read all of them for you. So But man, there's some beautiful 15 minutes. I called 5-minute buy stops. They turned into 15-minute. It happens. Okay. Well, TikTok, we're going to go. See you guys. If you need anything, holler. I'm heading over to YouTube for a minute. The YouTube channel's right here. Feel free to come to the YouTube channel. Oh, Bitcoin to the blue line. Hold on. Bitcoin to the blue line on the 5-minute. Let me see. Bitcoin to the blue line. Let's see. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let's see. Ooh, no. Oh, yeah. Sell. Yes. Do I think it's gonna go there? Very strong likelihood Bitcoin's going down to there. Yes, that's correct. And then after that, it's gonna come up. What it's going down to, Tib, if you really want to know the facts, it's coming down to this 1-hour blue line. It's forming our logo. Like I showed you on the 5-minute right here, it's forming this. So what you're gonna see as I drew out for you guys technically, so we can go back over that again, is I drew out this for you on the, earlier ones. We want to see Bitcoin turn on its 1-hour chart. We want it to turn where's my red at? Oh, shit. Hold on a second. We want this indicator to turn red like that. And when that does on the 1-hour chart, that'll be when it's completely done going down, and then it will come back up again. So yes, I think it has a very good shot. Bitcoin does to go down to its blue line on the 5-minute. I would prefer you to play this buy stop off of this right here. So it's going to come down to there, meaning your 30 minutes already red. We want to see the 1-hour turn red. This line's coming down. Your price is coming down to that line, Tibor. That's what it's doing. You're the best, Kev. Thank you, Tibor. All right, guys. See you on TikTok. Night. All right. Everybody on YouTube have any questions before I go? Going once? Anyone on YouTube have any questions? The Safe Trade System shot, boys. Thank you, says Ed C. Shot the load, says Metal Mine. Thanks for a beauty start of the week, says Shash. Good evening, Kev. Hey, Shosh. Good evening, Ed. All right, guys. Anyone on TikTok or on YouTube have any questions? Leaving you right here. Matter of fact, we got to move this line over. We're going to put it right there. Okay. US 30. 1 minute. All three indices. 1 minute buy stop. 4-hour sell stop. So I still think they're going to push up a little bit, even though the 15-minute played out exactly as I called today. Well, I called 5-minute, but the 5-minute still did exactly what it was. We're still in the money on those trades, by the way. All right. And that's it. Unless somebody has any questions for me on YouTube, we're out of here in the US session. I'll be back on in the morning, probably somewhere between 5:30 Eastern Standard Time and 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. Nope, I'm off tomorrow to trade with you guys on a term to hit 25,000. Sean, damn, boy, that's a good goal, I guess. When will you be back on? I just mentioned it. Running through videos to get all lined up with prereqs to sign up. Awesome, Johnny Bird. Look forward to dealing and training with you, sir. All right. Rock the box. What's up, Jason? Yo, Jason. All right.